Hi, DIY Dad here with Heartland, America. We're going to be demonstrating 3 different saws and telling you the features and the capability and what you'd use the saws for. Today we're going to be looking at the Wesco chainsaw, SKU number 67875. This nice chainsaw is an electric chainsaw, battery powered. Comes with a 20 volt lithium battery with a 4 amp hour power rating. Okay? It just slides on and click. You have a safety right here, safety button that allows you have to push that in order to have it go. This is also the chain tensioner right here. And like other saws, which is a really nice feature on this one, is this is used for grabbing the actual wood and helping you so it doesn't jump around. There's also a spot for chainsaw bar oil, and then of course there's a display there that tells you what level the oil's at. Now always remember your safety goggles and make sure the area is clear of anybody else or any obstructions that may make you fall, because it's very important. Safety is #1 thing. Of course, like I was telling you before, pushing the side safety button, then you can saw. Have the blade close. See how quick and easy that cut through that limb. Now we're going to demonstrate the red mini chainsaw, SKU number 67859. On this it comes with a 24 volt lithium battery, which is really nice and powerful for long lasting cutting. It cuts also the logs that are about 15 centimeters very quickly. I'll take and demonstrate that. Always remember, put safety goggles on and use proper spacing, so make sure that nobody's around you while you're cutting. There is a safety button on the side. Pushing the safety button. Start. See how quick and easy that cut through that log. That is really good. One of the great things you can use this for also is, pruning trees. Also, if you have some in your backyard, some branches or something, like little trees trying to form or on the ground, this is really nice. It gets close to the ground, so you have no problem at all cutting. It weighs only about 1.5 pounds and works from an impressive 3-hour battery. There are some assembly required for this, so I'm going to go through some of the demonstration of what to do for the assembly. The very important thing that I like to point out is the chain. As you can see, there's little nubs on the chain for cutting. You got to make sure that it goes correctly on the correct way, otherwise it won't cut. Put it in this little track, just like that, and make sure that the small little nubs right there is going this direction, and this is the cutter right here. One of the things I would usually recommend is taking the screwdriver that comes with the saw, and you want to turn this. Actually, you want to turn counterclockwise, so this little tab here goes a little bit closer to the gear. This will make it a little bit easier for installing the chain. Next, we put the chain on just like that. The chain goes around the sprocket. Have that little tab go right in there. This is the belt tensioner or chain tensioner right there. Okay. Then we'll put on this piece just like that. And then there's a nut that goes on there. Then it comes with this wrench or socket. You can it doesn't have to be real tight. You don't have to muscle it, just tight enough. Now we're going to adjust the chain tensioner in here. What you don't want to do, you don't want very much slack in there, so you can't pull it away. Because if you pull it away, then it gets out of the grooves. And you can just tighten that up. Should be good to go. We're going to be looking at the TACKLIFE 4.5 mini circular saw. It also includes 6 free blades. Some of the nice features is you have that extra handle there for security, so you have a nice stable cut. It also comes with the bar for measuring to make sure you have a good level cut like that. The there's a ruler on the actual level, and then the adjustment set screws right here so you can get it locked in so you don't have to worry about it fluctuating and veering. It also has a really easy way to remove the blade and some guides. This also bed here will tilt depending on how much of the blade you want to protrude through your cutting surface. Like usual, we always want to remember safety glasses. This also has a 5.8 amp motor that operates from 1200 to 3500 RPM, so it is a variable speed. And you can go up to 45 degrees for angles for the cutting. But one other little feature also too, if for the serious person who has a wood shop, this also comes with an adapter so that you can hook this up here, just like that, and then you can run your own hose, vacuum hose. What this is for is so it catches all the dust and debris from whatever you're cutting. So that's a nice feature too, but we're not going to be using that one today. Also a nice feature is the headphones. You always want to protect your hearing. That's very important. Look how well the TACKLIFE 4.5 circular saw cut through that board with perfect ease due to the powerful 5.8 amp motor that it has. I'm sure you'll agree that these saws are a great deal at a great price from Heartland America. You can achieve and find these products at www.heartlandamerica.com.